that's all about conformity, where every path seems worn and weathered. There's a place for the unique, the daring, the free-spirited. At Skateboards, we reckon each board ain't just a piece of wood. It's a piece of you. Handcrafted by one man, each board is part of a bigger story. Our story. For nearly a decade, we've been pioneers in the downhill skateboard industry, leading the way towards the future of our sport. Discover the art of individuality. Find your path and ride it with pride. You choose other brands to catch up. You choose us to stay ahead of the pack. Skateboards, crafted by hand, beating expectations. Saddle up and ride with the underdogs.